The first is linear income. That's the kind that most people get. That's where you trade your time for money. You go into work, you work a certain amount of hours, you get a certain amount of money back. That's linear income. But there's also this thing called leveraged income, and that's where you work with the power of a team and you leverage your team. And when you do that, your income potential is virtually limitless. And we're going to talk about that tonight. And then there's residual income, what I call the game changer, where you are continually receiving over and over and over the fruits of your labors over and over into perpetuity. And we're going to talk a little bit about that tonight. Now, Harvard Business School a few years ago said that whenever you're evaluating an opportunity, there's 5 areas that you should look at. And one is the company itself. Is it rock solid? Is it on a solid foundation? Is there a need in the marketplace for what that company has? And what about the product? Is it a viable product? Is it a here today, gone tomorrow product? And then what about the compensation? If this is truly a good opportunity, the compensation has to be stellar.